if you want to protect your assets and avoid family drama, expensive lawyers, you need to check this out. This is the Living Trust and Wills Estate Planning for Seniors, the complete 3-in-1 guide. This is the 2026 edition. Protect your assets, avoid probate, create an estate plan without costly lawyers or family drama. Absolutely great book. It's it's about 140 pages. It is just action packed with everything you could possibly need to know. Like you could just see by this table of contents, they cover everything. This will help you determine between a living trust and a will, which would be best for your personal situation, how to avoid probate, pretty much anything. If you are in your 60s, 70s, or 80s and have been delaying planning, this is your shot right over here. Get this book. It will walk you through everything step by step. So if you're looking for a great book on living trust, wills, and estate planning, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the author for sending this over so I could do this review.